In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Cash App Please Try Again Later. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So if you're experiencing this error in Cash App and there's a message or a prompt that says please try again later, what you can do is, if your phone is an Apple device, you might want to go to the App Store home screen. Then tap on your user profile. Now go to the update section and update the latest version of Cash App. Now go to your phone settings, search and select Cash App. Now tap Advanced. Now toggle the Erase App Data on Next Launch to On. Now open Cash App and it should quickly close after launch. Now reopen Cash App and you should be prompted to log in as usual. So if your phone is an Android device, you might want to go to your phone settings, tap Apps and Notifications or Apps. Now tap See All Apps. Now tap Cash App. Now scroll down and go tap Storage. Now clear the storage or clear data. So there could be pop-up warnings stating delete app data. Tap OK. Now reopen Cash App. So I hope this fixes your problem. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.